Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of green tea. Not only does it offer a delightful and soothing experience, but it's also packed with incredible health benefits. In this video, we'll explore 7 reasons why you should make green tea a regular part of your routine and share some tips on how to make the most out of your cup. Let's get started. Number 1. The antioxidant powerhouse. First up, let's talk about the antioxidant powerhouse that is green tea. Loaded with polyphenol, particularly catechins, green tea helps combat oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, which can contribute to aging and various diseases. By sipping on green tea, you're giving your body a powerful tool to fight off these harmful elements. Number 2. Heart health boost. Next on the list is its positive impact on heart health. Numerous studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea may help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The combination of antioxidants and compounds like flavonoids supports heart health by improving blood vessel function and regulating blood pressure. So, a cup of green tea a day could be a heart-healthy habit worth adopting. Number 3. Weight management. Now, let's talk about a benefit many of us are interested in: weight management. Green tea contains caffeine and catechins, which have been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Additionally, it can help control appetite, making it a fantastic addition to a balanced diet and active lifestyle. If you're looking for a natural way to support your weight loss journey, green tea might be the answer. Number 4. Brain function and mental health. Green tea isn't just good for the body, it's also a friend to the mind. The caffeine in green tea, though lower than in coffee, can improve alertness and enhance cognitive function. Moreover, it contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which has calming effects and can reduce stress and anxiety. So, not only does it help you stay focused, but it also contributes to a more relaxed and balanced state of mind. Number 5. Diabetes prevention. For those concerned about diabetes, green tea may offer some protective benefits. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of green tea can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It's a simple and delicious way to support overall metabolic health. Number 6. Oral health. Switching gears a bit, let's discuss the impact of green tea on oral health. The catechins in green tea have natural antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth. This, in turn, may lead to improved dental health, fresher breath, and a reduced risk of cavities. It's a refreshing alternative to sugary beverages that can take a toll on your teeth. Number 7. Skin benefits. Last but not least, let's talk about the benefits of green tea for your skin. The antioxidants in green tea, especially EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption may contribute to a more youthful appearance by promoting collagen production and reducing the signs of aging. Additionally, applying green tea topically or using skincare products containing green tea extracts can enhance its benefits for your skin. Tips on how to drink green tea for maximum impact. Now that we've covered the amazing health benefits of green tea, let's discuss how to drink it for maximum impact. First, opt for high-quality loose-leaf green tea or high-grade tea bags to ensure you're getting the most out of the leaves. Steep your tea in hot, but not boiling, water for about 2 to 3 minutes to preserve its delicate flavors and antioxidants. Experiment with different varieties of green tea, such as sencha, matcha, or jasmine green tea, to find your favorite. Consider adding a slice of lemon or a touch of honey for added flavor and health benefits. And don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water alongside your green tea. Finally, make it a consistent part of your routine. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, incorporating green tea into your daily life can be a small yet impactful step towards a healthier you. Conclusion: well, that wraps up our exploration of the health benefits of green tea and some tips on how to drink it for maximum impact. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.